Hi, welcome to the Writing Career Coach podcast, where we focus on helping writers master their craft and grow their career. I'm Tiffany Coulter, and today we're tackling the frustration that even experienced writers face. I have been a professional writer for over 20 years, and I've been through a couple of contractions in the market and some growth times. And one thing that's been consistent is really the struggle to create work that truly resonates with our readers. Sorry, I just lost my light, so now I'm going to look funny. It's not just about rejection. It's about the disconnection that we feel sometimes with our readers, like what we're trying to tell them and what they actually experience. All right. The real struggle in this area, it's not just about writing quality, it's about the connection. So you can write really well, but for some reason it's just not resonating with your reader. Many writers produce technically sound work that still fails to engage readers emotionally. And I see this a lot with people who get a bachelor's degree in another field. This happens because we get trapped kind of in our own way of thinking, our own perspective, and forget readers don't share the same context that we have. And we also, like I was saying, in the academic writing, we tend to try to follow a script for academic writing that doesn't resonate in other areas. We overcomplicate our message trying to sound like a writer instead of just communicating. We focus on impressing people rather than expressing feelings, and we lose sight of the emotional journey we want the readers to feel. It's like we're trying to do everything right and we're trying to connect all these dots, and instead what we end up doing is we disconnect from our reader. So how do we stop doing that? I do have a few ideas that are actionable and approachable. I want really practical stuff to help you to build the connection and not just theory, because that's what gets us stuck in this anyway. First of all, write like you talk, but a little bit better. Like right now, I'm just kind of talking. Professional writing isn't about sounding fancy. It's about clarity and impact. So write with directness. Write the way that you talk. Don't try to fit into a perfectly grammatical formula. Use your natural voice. Let dialogue be choppy. Let people interrupt each other. Let your reader feel like they are connecting with your character. Then the emotional journey. Effective writing isn't just about what happens, but how it makes the reader feel. We're trying to connect that powerful emotional experience. So each section of your work, consider what emotion you want the reader to feel in that section. I actually outline that when I'm putting together my books. What kind of reactions do you want them to have? What's blocking them from the right response? Then test out whether it's resonating by having someone read your work. You can have beta readers, you can have a professional editor, you can ask other professional writers, but ask really specific questions like, how do you feel when you're reading this part? Was there anything that was confusing? Give them a list of questions that help you to see if you're connecting. Did you feel like you wanted to keep reading, or did you just do it because I asked you to? Because this will help you to understand where the breakdown is starting to happen so that you can start to correct it. All right. So then what do? The difference between writing that just gets written and writing that really changes a reader's heart is making that emotional connection. If it's something that you're struggling to do, then I do offer coaching. I have a book called Wisdom from Writing Career Coach, which is where I went through and I was working with clients and I started talking about issues I saw over and over. If you need help with trying to create this connection, Work with books like Writing the Breakout Novel. That's one of my favorites. On Writing by Stephen King. You can also contact me about manuscript evaluations. We can do some online coaching together. Find a writer's group. Work with other writers. Work to really strengthen and hone one skill at a time, but this is a critical one. This skill of making that emotional connection. If you would like to work with me, you can look in the show notes or in the description below and find out more. You can follow the link. If not, find a solid writers group with writers who are not just hope-to-bees, but people who are actually consistently getting published and getting results and hopefully writing or experienced in reading your particular genre. That will be the most important part. All right, I hope you got something out of this. I will see you next time on the Writing Career Coach podcast. Thanks. Bye.